So yun, hello sa'yo. It's been a week since nung graduation day. 1 week na nalipas. And ayun, nakaka-ano lang, nakaka-overwhelm. And wala lang, nakabigla lang na natapos na bigla yung college journey ko in a blink of an eye. Alam mo yun, parang parang kahapon lang kasi third year lang ako. Sobrang nakabigla na in a random Wednesday tapos na yung entire college journey mo. Ayun, last week, ayun, graduation day, ayun, nagmarcha sa Marriott, pagkakuha ng diploma, ayun, umuwi. Kasi the entire week, nag-enjoy lang. Siyempre, more than 5 years, half a decade ba naman yung sacrifices and yung mga ganap. So, yun. Bilis. Nakakatuwa rin at the same time na wala, tapos na. Yun na pala yun. Kalahating dekada na yun. Anyway, ayun, nagpagamarcha, nagkakuha ng diploma yun. Actually, dapat kasi ibabalik this week. Ibabalik niya dapat yung diploma, yung toga. Ibabalik niya dapat yung toga. But, ayun nga, kasi unfortunately umulan, bumabagyo. So, di ba? Bumabagyo eh. Hindi na rin nagkaroon ng chance para ibalik. Hindi na rin nagkaroon ng chance para ibalik yung toga. Kaya yun. But, wala lang. Hindi ko alam sasabihin sa totoo lang. Wala kasi akong script. Kikreate ako ng videos ganito. Wala akong script. Wala akong kahit ano. Wala akong plano. Shoot lang. Press ko lang yung record button. Tapos yun na. Hinahayaan ko na lang. Let it flow. O na lumabas sa bibig ko, lumabas sa isip ko, yun na yan. Wala naman akong ini-edit dito. Pero wala talaga siya akong masabi ngayon. After the so many sacrifices, makita nyo naman, nasubaybayan mo naman, di ba? Kung yung the entire project degree. Ayun, masaya ako ngayon, tapos na. Fulfilled. Ayun. Pero for the coming weeks or months, I can say marami pang project na darating. So, marami pang project na darating. Hindi dito yung first and last. There will be more. So, yun lang yung nakaka-excite about the future because I am pretty sure there will be more projects to come. And the future is bright. Ayun. Marami pa pwedeng mangyari. Sa kalahati pa lang din naman tayo ng taon. So, there's more. Ayun, there will be more projects to come na I'm pretty sure. So, wala. Ngayon, kasi syempre, full-time tambay. Di pa ako nag-start pagkatapos ng trabaho or hindi ko pa ginagawa yung portfolio ko eh. So yun, just enjoying myself muna, thinking about my future of course, kasi in the next coming years will be crucial for my career. Ito na rin yung magdidikta ng kinabukasan ko. So I'm thinking hard about it. I just want to take it slow but surely. Alam mo yun, kasi wala lang, wala talaga akong masabi. I have no insight or thoughts about the what's happening or what's about to happen. Kasi as of now, I'm just trying to live in the present. You know, nasa gitna lang, nasa ngayon. Ayun. Yun lang naman. Try ko lang enjoyin yung bawat moment na meron ako, remaining time, free, unemployed. Ayun. Sa buhay. Pero yun, thank you sa pagsubaybay ng Project Degree. Pero there will be a last episode next week. Ayan. Yun na yung final episode itong Project Degree. So mas maganda, it's much better kung susubaybayan mo na lang. Yun. Wala, nakakatuwa lang. The graduation din kasi last week, it's kind of wala lang, unreal din. Very surreal yung experience last week. Wala lang, I feel like I evolved. No pun intended. Wala lang, I evolved. Like, na parang it's over. It's over na yung mga immaturity kind of shit. Wala, tapos na. Parang it's time for me to grow up. Yun yung forced transitioning stage. So, ganyan yung experience, ganyan yung feeling last week. So, ayun, medyo medyo unrealistic siya for me. And then unrealistic in a way na parang kita-question mo yung sarili mo na totoo bang nangyayari yun. Nangyayari ba yun talaga yun? Parang ganun. But the experience was fun. Nakapagod. Kasi the week before, nag-prepare kasi talaga ako nun eh. I mean, I took care of myself. Gusto ko, I look best. Talaga. Yung prime, sinasabi. Talaga, na maganda talaga. Yung labas. Like yung the entire week, like tinitignan yung photos ng graduation. Wala kasi hanggang ngayon di pa rin makapaniwala na nangyari yun. After almost half a decade, it happened. Yun. Kasi naman, syempre, daming sinacrifice ng time na yun eh. The money, financially, spiritually, mentally, physically, everything was exhausted talaga para lang matapos yun. So, fulfilling and satisfying naman yung ending. Ayun. Pag-isapan na lang ulit natin mamaya kasi mag-gym muna ako. Ayun. Next day pa naman ngayon.